In this video, I will show you how you can add the photo widget to the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to add the photo widget to the home screen, just tap and hold on the empty space in your home screen, and from this menu over here, just select widgets. Now from this widget section, just scroll down and look for the gallery app. Now just tap on gallery, and over here, just select the widget style which you prefer. For example, I will select this one. Just tap on add. Now you can increase or decrease the size of the widget by just dragging the widget from the handles over here. And once you're satisfied with the size of the widget, just tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Now to add photos to the widget which we have selected, just tap on the widget, and from this menu you can either select images, and by selecting this option you will be able to select a few images which you want to show in this widget, or you can tap on select album, and by selecting this option you will be able to select a specific album which you want to show over here. If I tap on select album, I will be able to select any album from here. Now you can select downloads, phone, or even the screenshots. Now I will select the downloads folder. Now after that, just tap on done. Now after you do that, you will be able to show all the photos from your downloads folder into this widget. Now if you want to customize this widget even more, just tap and hold on the widget and select settings. Now under settings, if you tap on display method, you can either select fit to widget, you can select stretch to fill the widget, or you can select center and fill widget. Now if you tap on image to show, you can change the folder or the type of images which you want to show. For example, this time I will tap on select images. Now from here I will select the images which I want to show in this widget. Now after you select the photos, then just tap on done and select save. As you can see, it now will show these photos which I have selected. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.